Hi children, I am Bindu and today we are going to do origami and the content is origami bird. So this is the bird which we are going to do. So for this you need a paper, two color papers you will be needing. I am taking blue, red color paper, we need googly eyes, two googly eyes are required, a scissor and glue. You can even use glue stick also. So let's start with it. First we will take the blue paper and then we have to fold it into half. So this is how you have to fold, and you can see this line, the crease line you can see here, there you have to cut it down. So here we have two sheets here. We'll be getting two sheets. So now we have to do the fan folding, which is the basic of origami. So first fold and then turn your paper and the second fold. Similar way you have to keep doing. And both the papers you have to do in the same way. If you get this extra paper, you can just cut it down. So this is how it should look, and same way you have to do with the other paper also. Here I got little more excess, so this I am going to cut it off. If you don't want this excess paper to get to be cut, so you can just take a scale and you can use take the help of margin, and you can make lines and then you can fold. So it is easier to do this. So now I got two things here. Now you have to fold this thing, this fan folding, into half. So this is how you will fold. Do same with the other one also. So now here we got two sets. Now you can see this V shape here. Here on one side you have to apply glue. So just take your glue and apply it on one side. So this is how we have to apply, and then we have to stick it. And just hold it for a second so that it will stick properly. So same way we have to, you can see this, same way we have to do for the second one also. Press it and hold it for a second so that it will stick properly. So now you got two fan foldings here, and now you have to stick these two also so that we will get a proper circle. So what you will do is, on one side of first fan folding you will apply glue, like this and stick this here. And hold for a second. Yes. So now you can see this. Now on one side of this side, you have to apply glue. And you can see this. Hold it properly. You have to hold it tight. And this way you have to stick, so that you will get a nice circle. So I got my circle here. So now I'll do the nose part. For that I need a red color paper. So what I'll do is I'll just fold it into half. And I'll just cut a triangle on this. From the folded part you have to, on the folded part you have to cut a triangle. So you can see this. This is how I have cut the triangle. So I'll just keep this aside. And now I even need legs. So I'll just draw legs here, or directly if you can cut it properly, you can cut it. So legs you can just go with normal curve, or usually birds have 3 curve things, so you can even do 3 curves. So this is how we will get the curve leg. And now when you will open, you will get 2 things at a time. So now what you have to do is cut it from between. So no need to cut this nose part, because we need this to look as a 3D one, open and close, open and close. Okay. So now the last part is to stick all this. So one more question is there. A few may think that it will come out like this. If you don't want this to come out, you can apply glue here and here. But usually it won't come out, because we are going to add glue here for the nose. So just add glue here like this in between and just stick the nose. And you have to just hold it for a second. Or even it may take a little longer time. You can hold it for 10 seconds. Hold it properly. And now here comes the legs part. So you can't stick this thing as it is on the circle, see, like this. So what you will do is you have to fold it. Fold the leg part like this. And now what you have to do is apply glue on top. So this is how you have to apply glue on top part, and then you have to stick it somewhere in the gaps. Can see this? Like this. And same way you have to do with the next leg also. Fold it into half. Apply glue on top this way and stick. You have to give little space in between. Just leave 2 spaces and then stick in the third one. So you can see this. Just make sure both the legs are even. Yeah, I think it is fine with mine. So this is how it will look. And last but not the least, now you have to make eyes. So let's do the eyes now. Or if you want to make eyes, you can use white paper and sketch pen or crayon, and you can just make googly eye and just stick. I have the ready-made googly eye with me, so I'll stick this over here. So what I'll do is I'll just stick little glue on it, and I'll just stick somewhere here on the fold. It will take some more time for me. So let's wait for a second. You have to hold it for a little longer time, 30 seconds it might be, you have to hold it. So this is how it will look. Same way you have to do on the other side. So I'll just leave two gaps, two foldings, and here I'll stick. So do it same as I'm doing, and just apply a little glue here on the googly eye and then stick here. I'm just leaving two foldings and here. So I'll just keep it down, as I can't do it like this. Keep it on the table. Hold it properly for a few seconds. And here my bird is ready. So that's it. This is how you have to do the origami bird. Here we are done. Thank you.